Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing fried green tomatoes and comeback sauce, a southern treat. I've got 4 or 5 green tomatoes that I picked up at the store today. Cut those into about 1/4 inch slices. As you're cutting these, you want to cut the ends off, and you want to look for any red. If there's any red, just go ahead and discard those and keep only the green. Somehow the red has too much jelly in there. That's the part what the seeds are in the tomato. And that's not good for frying. So we got these all cut up. Now we're going to make our seasoning. Tablespoon of cornstarch. Then we're going to add some cornmeal, some breadcrumb, and we'll mix that up real good. So it's about a 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of breadcrumb, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix that up and put that to the side. Then we've got another container that we're going to just use all-purpose flour. And we'll put a couple scoops of that in. So basically what we're going to have is the traditional flour, egg dip, and then seasoning dip before we go into the hot oil. I've got 5 eggs in here. I've add a little bit of heavy cream just to break it down a little bit. You don't want it too eggy, too thick. All right. So now we're going to start with our tomatoes. We go straight into the flour, into the egg, and into the breadcrumbs. And we'll do this and make sure that all the tomatoes are covered. Put it on a plate. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour before we fry. Now while we wait for our tomatoes to sit in the refrigerator, we're going to work on our comeback sauce, which is a traditional southern sauce served with fried green tomatoes. And we're going to start that with a couple of big tablespoons of mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, granulated garlic, a little granulated onion, and this is all to taste. A little bit of hot sauce, a little Worcestershire sauce, some Dijon mustard, and ketchup. And we'll mix that up real good and give it a taste. And I'll have the exact measurements in the description of the video. But it's like I said, it's mostly to taste. So now we've got our Dutch oven. We've got some vegetable oil in there, heating up to about 350. And we're going to drop our tomatoes in. And we're just going to cook these till they're golden brown on both sides. Flip them over about halfway through. And then take out, set on some paper towel to drain. And you're all set to serve with some comeback sauce. And you've got yourself a traditional southern treat, fried green tomatoes. I never had them before, but I'm going to have them again because they were delicious. Nothing like you're going to think they are. There's very little tomato taste to them. Anyways, give this recipe a shot. It's simple, easy, delicious, and I think everybody's going to love them. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back soon. And remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Appreciate you.